Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And this is August recap. I did not have a very productive month, but I did do, actually, I traveled the world. So, I had a work trip and then a lot of things going on. So basically, just made sure to get, where did that come from? My design team layouts and a few extras done this month. So this was done for the Create That Studio, the design team, and I used this lovely collection. This one here was for 3/4 designs. I don't remember. Oh, Spiegel Mom Scraps. Da-da-da. This was for Memory Makers. I was only able to get one layout done for Memory Makers this month. So more to come from that fabulous company. This is Cut to You Design Team. Made a beautiful, took the one wreath and made it into more. This is also for Create That Studio. Pulling in lots of fun things from my stash as well. Just add a little glue in there. Okay, using that product. This is 3/4 designs. And I love this collection. It's a rainbow. This is for the Erica Rose design team. I used that beautiful wreath. Did some mixed media behind it. This was really like one of my favorite ones, honestly, guys. This was for members, so the members portion, I used some of these acrylics. Get those all stuck in there, creating layers. This is for Spiegel Mom Scraps, using the sequins. I've done that before. I think that's just really cool, and I absolutely love it. Also using up some of those page kits. This is the page kit. I put those together, so we got another one of those done. This is for the Create That Studio, bringing in some other items and using up a whole thing of rub-on, so that was fun. This is for Erica Rose, using this beautiful cut file here. Just a random page kit. Create that 3/4 designs. Did a lot of dimension on this one. I really like this one. Another 3/4 designs for their Xmas Magic, and that's it, you guys. That is what we did this month. So come back later tomorrow and we will have a whole nother month to play. I'm super excited. I can't believe it's September, which means fall is days away, right? So fall is me and my husband's favorite time of year, so lots going on. We're actually going to South Dakota and New Orleans this fall, and I'm super excited. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.